We are pleased to show you the 2026 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, brake assist, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.